Excuse me, is it true that you have counseling services and naturopathic medicine in person again? Yes. Hey, aren't you Blue Shirt Guy from that video game? Yeah, there was an update. Excuse me. And now I can live in the real world too. Well, you know something? I can't help with the glitching, but I might be able to help with the cough. Really? Yeah, until the cough is gone, try doing this exercise about 10 repetitions several times a day. Just breathe onto the back of your arm like you're fogging up a mirror. Just like that. Well, that seems easy enough. Thanks. Hey, would you like to try on my glasses? They're super cool. That's fine, thanks. Please, I insist. They're really cool. Please, take them. All right. Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? What does this icon do? Oh, no, don't click that. I didn't set that up good. Okay, just... Yeah. Oh, don't click that. No, just back out of it. Oh, hot stuff. Mustache. Okay, so you see there, I'm not a sheriff. I guess I am a sheriff. Okay, so fogging up a mirror, was it? Oh, wow. That was so much fun. Thank you so much. That must save you a ton of time in the morning getting dressed. You know what? It does, actually. Oh, and to get rid of trapped air in your lungs, purse your lips and breathe out like this for like 5 to 10 seconds. Wow, cool. Thanks. Oh, what's the glowing all about? Oh, sorry. Tummy's a little upset. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm there. Woo! Oh, thanks. And don't have a good day. Have a great day. Oh, you forgot your glasses. Well, I can't put these in the lost and found. I'll play the video game and find them that way. Whoa! See you later.